Hello, this is Sandra with the Disney Car Toys channel, and today I have two really exciting Mickey Mouse tool sets to show you. They were sold separately but work really well together. The first one is this big Mickey Mouse set, and the other one is this toolbox. Isn't it so cute? Both feature Mickey Mouse with a hard hat and gears. It's a great toddler toy. My son's 5 and my daughter's 2, and both of them like playing with it. You can move the gears here, and you can move the gears up here. Oh, Toodles! Both sets come with a lot of tools. For example, we have this hammer. We'll use this in a little bit to hammer nails in wood and in the play set. This is the other hammer. Some of them are like a little mixed up. But we have screws and these wrenches and these nails, and look, they're really cute. All the nails and screws have little pictures of Mickey Mouse on the head. The Mickey Mouse Workbench has a lot of sounds and phrases. For example, if I push down this saw, whoa, it sounds like I'm sawing. And Mickey talks too. Let's do it again. You can saw a whole bunch of things like this wood piece that came with the workbench, or even Minnie Mouse. Let's see. Ah, no, I'm just kidding. You don't want to saw Minnie Mouse. Ouch. Poor Minnie. Let's actually do something nice for Minnie, like build her a car. I think Mickey would like a car too. So let's grab Mickey here. The set came with this car, but we got to put the wheels on, and this is my son's most favorite part. To put the wheels on, you need 4 screws like this. Uh-oh, sorry Mickey. Always knock over, oh no, dropped Minnie. You know what, we'll just move them out of the way just so they can be safe. You know, when you're working with your tool bench and your tools, you always got to think about safety. So let's add these wheels. Just put the tire on, and this screw acts as a hubcap. So you put it in, just got to screw it in with our handy dandy Mickey Mouse screwdriver. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? And this is so good for little hands. There we go. So if you're working on a project in your garage, just get this out for your kids and they can work with you. Let's get this tire on. Okay, 2 tires. Let's see if they spin. Okay, they work. And I didn't even need a Masca tool to build this either. Let's see, let's get the other 2 tires on. Okay, how fast can I do this? Should we time it? Okay, ready, set, go. Uh-oh, I'm not going that fast. Oh no, I dropped my screwdriver. I must be nervous now that I'm timing it. Okay, and we're done. That was a pretty good time, I guess. Not too bad. And our car now works. Let's get Mickey and Minnie in there. We'll put, actually let's just have them stand up. Minnie right here. Mickey can drive because the car matches his clothes. And actually let's put him down here. And drive on the table. Okay, ready guys? 1, 2, 3, bye! This part right here is fun for little hands. Just hammer, 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 hammer. So, it's like a fun game. Let's see. I want the red one down. Oh no, the blue one popped up. Okay, no, stop. No, stop, stop, stop. Ah! You can never get both of them down. It's fun though. And this part right here is just like a real workbench. Just turn it towards you and it loosens. And if you want to tighten the clamp, just turn it away from you. There we go, nice and tight. Now I think it's time to drill. I'm going to put this piece of wood in here and press down the hand. Woo! Okay. Yeah, super cheers. Okay, let's do it again. Ah! Okay. And look, perfect holes. When I'm done with my tools, I can hang them on the pegboard And on the base of the workbench, I can practice my hardware skills, so I can hammer this in. Let's see, where's my hammer? Where's my hammer? Oh, it's in my toolbox. Okay, ready? Now make sure, don't hammer your thumb like this. Ow, that hurts. Okay, so let's just do it like this and cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Woohoo! We got one. Now let's hammer some more. This is so much fun. This is a perfect Christmas gift. Let's go over here. Oh, lots of Mickey nails. Let's try right here. And do I have any screws to put in? Oh, like here's a screw. Let's try that out. Okay. So let's grab my screwdriver. Here it is. I'll hang up the hammer because I'm not using it. It's always good to clean up your tools. And let's try it out. Let's see if I can do it. Turn, turn. And it seems to be working. Almost there. Oh, slippery fingers today. Holy cow. Okay, I got it. Yay! Come on, Mickey, cheer for me. We've got ears. Say cheers. Uh-oh. I'm dropping my hammer and everything. Should we try another screw? Yeah, let's try another one. Let's see. Keep on, if you see the X, that's a Phillips screw. Or you need your Phillips screwdriver. I think they're all like that. Let's see. Let's try something different. So, here's one with the X. And this matches, because it has an X. But I wonder if I can use my flathead on this too. Let's try it. Go over here. And, oh, it works too. That's really nice. So you can use both screwdrivers. Oh my goodness. Ah, it's gone. Okay, let's try this one. Oh boy. Oh no. It's not my day with tools. Let's just use my fingers. Oh boy. You know, maybe a little kid might do better at this than me. And we have our little wrench here. And I wonder if I can try to get a screw in with this too. Let's try. Does it fit? Oh, it fits. Okay, let's see. A hard thing is I'm getting stuck. Okay. Let's try it like this. You can kind of go like that though. And then lift it up. This is just like real tools. I think I can finish it up with a screwdriver though, because that's just so much faster. Okay. I did it! Woohoo! And I think I can do pretty much the same thing with the toolbox. So we have all these wooden pieces. Let's get a nail in the wood. So just press it in there and hammer. There we go. And let's even put this washer on the bottom to make sure the nail stays. And ta-da! Beautiful. Oh! And one thing you can do on the toolbox too is you can add nails to the side, kind of like this, and then you can put a washer, one of these, on the back to make it stick. Ta-da! Now it's even more Mickey Mouse glammed up. Oh, I think I just heard the lunch bell. Time for my lunch break. Let's clean up before I go though. Let me put all the tools in the toolbox and on the workbench. And we are good to go. Thanks everybody for joining me with this Mickey Mouse toy review. Please click like and subscribe to the Disney Car Toys channel and let me know in the comments what you like more. Do you like the workbench more or do you like the toolbox more? Thanks for watching and have a great day. Click on a picture to watch another fun toy video, and if you click on the question mark, then you get to watch a mystery video. How exciting!